What's up guys, Maddox45 here, and today we're going to be doing another island tour. Yay, my island has grown, let's say 30% more. Yeah, it's bigger now, so, you know, it's good. So let's get started. My house is over here. No spoilers for over there. Just get in the house. Shut up and get in the house. Oh, my face. Can't face reveal right now. That's better. Okay. No face revealing. So, let's fix this. Real quick. Okay, back. So, sorry, my hair was covering the entire thing. Let me just take the controllers out. And no, this way. You know what? I'll just have it like this. I don't think it's focusing, but let me just pull this thing. What did I did something. I saw something. Oh, I took this thing. Wait. I'll fix that later. So, this is, let me just take it out of the ×2. There we go. If it's better, like the video. So, yeah, this is my bed. This is one of those dream beds. I don't think you guys can even, let me lower the light. That's better. Okay, so yeah. Oh, and turn the lights off. No, not that. I'll turn the lights off. Okay, may need the lights on. Okay, so yes, let's do this. Right here, we've got well, you know, I forgot, an AC, I think. Air condition. It's not air conditioned, but whatever. It's a fan, yeah, a fan. Sorry, I'm not really good at English. I got a fan right there. We got a balloon. We got I forgot the name of this thing. Then right here we have a bathtub. Yeah, a bathtub. Boiling water. Damn, boy. Boiling. It's boiling. I did not know why I did that. We got a toilet right there, as you can see. We got a pillow, a fax machine. We got a mirror, a lion plushie. We've got a lamp, a lava lamp, a book, a fish, a radio, candle. We've got I don't know what that is. Then we got a thing to see how tall I am. We got sorry, sorry, I was looking at something. We've got right here one of these things a water dispenser, I think it's called. I'm not really great at English. We got my Gucci clothes. We got a map. And that's it for the main room. For this room. Now I'm gonna travel to the next one. I'm traveling. Okay. So, voila. Welcome to the fashion room. I got a lot of clothes in here. We got Ola. We have this thing, bonjour. That thing, I'm way too lazy. That thing, 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 that thing. Let me just, you guys can just see that. I don't even know what the names of the clothes were. That's the new channel merch. Hey yo, channel merch. What's up? Let's focus the spotlight. There we go. What up, bro? What you doing? Okay. Stop goofing around, Mateo. We got this thing. I just bought it because I wanted to. I don't even know what it is. Okay. We have this thing. We have that thing. And that's it. Oh yeah, we have this thing. The channel merch is awful, I know. Now let's travel to the other room. Hot Wheels. Let's travel. Because I like traveling. To the other room. This thing is loading. Okay. I shouldn't even be filming in my bed, because even though I have a table now, but it's being occupied. Yeah, we got a Nintendo Switch right there. The good stuff. We got a lamp, a movie lamp. This thing that they just gave me, it was in the gift box. I mean mailbox. It was a gift. A wheelchair. We've got a microwave, a scorpion, music player, another one of those things. This thing, that thing. And oh yeah, we got a katana right there. Some katanas. This is my desk. Let me just show it a bit better. Let me just put the angle to this thing, and that's a better angle. Okay, so we got a coffee machine, one of the old ones, and then we got this thing that was in the gift box, and then this I got from the little ghost dude. I put expensive items, and he just gave me this thing. Okay, let's get out of here. Now, let's go to the good stuff. To the backyard. I'm traveling there. Wait. The good stuff, bro. I'll show you the good stuff. And that's my house. Tell a little bit more over here. And now I can say, welcome to my backyard. We got a wall of flowers. We got a tissue box, a lamp, a pillow, a gong. I don't know, I have a gong, but I have a gong. We got another bathtub, but even better one. We got this thing, and we got a golden lamp. Right there, focus, there. A golden lamp. We have a cooler, a little tree, a green balloon, another lion. We got a ping pong table, a magazine. We got a military bunk bed. Yeah, I think no, it's not. That's not a bunk bed. We got a military bed there. We have this thing, and that's it. Oh, I have this clock thing. Well, it's not a clock. It's a well, whatever. Well, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. You can't comment, but like and subscribe. And see you on the next one. Bye.